Welcome to kindergarten.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Haskell.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Cosman.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Akers.
And I'm Miss Medrano. View our classrooms.
This is Mrs. Akers' classroom.
This is Mrs. Cosman's classroom.
This is Mrs. Haskell's classroom.
And this is Miss Medrano's classroom.
Important information. Face masks are required. Please also bring a water bottle. They will be sent home daily to get cleaned.
Your child will also be bringing home each day a red folder. You need to return this back every day. And please check daily for homework, notes, and sign papers as needed.
Each classroom has their own behavior plan. The behavior plans are called clip charts, and they have the chance to move up on the clip chart for good behavior. They also might move down on the clip chart for bad behavior. Their color is never set in stone. They're able to move up throughout the day if they're on a not so good color. And at the end of the day, they will color their charts to match what type of day they had. And teachers might provide notes to tell you in more detail what type of day they had. Just please look over their day and talk to your student about if they had a not so good day, and please write back any note you want to talk to the teacher about.
Morning routine. Doors open at 7:30 a.m. You will enter through the east entrance. It's the ramp door. Temperature checks will be taken. Anything at 100.4 or higher will be sent to the nurse for a second check. Then from there they will go to the K1 makerspace. We will pick them up at 7:50 to go to the classroom. Class begins at 8 a.m. All students will get a free breakfast in the classroom first thing in the morning.
Okay, here's our reading goals for this year. You need to identify all the letters and sounds, be able to read 40 sight words, read emergent readers, be able to identify and match rhyming words. They will be working on syllables and segmenting words, and they will read and write consonant, vowel, consonant words. For example, like cat, CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant, and they should be able to write 2 to 3 sentences by themselves.
Some of our math goals for this year, the students are going to need to identify shapes, flat and 3D shapes, describe measurable attributes, bigger, smaller, heavier, lighter, taller, shorter, identify the numbers 1 to 100, so be able to tell us the names, write numbers from 1 to 100, count to 100 by ones, count to 100 by tens, add within 10, and subtract within 10.
Practice at home. Reinforce weekly skills. Practice writing letters and numbers correctly. Practice how to hold a pencil, coloring, and scissor skills, letters, sight words, numbers, and always read, read, read.
Okay, learning from home. Our platform this year will be Google Classroom, and on there you'll find videos, books, assignments, and announcements. And we will also send papers and materials as needed if your child needs to miss school. So there will be more information on this as we get more details.
After school, kinder will dismiss at 3:13 p.m. Students that ride the bus and go to the after-school program will be guided to go to their designated area by staff members. We pick up on the east side of the school, the second bench from the left side of the school. Your guardian must get out and come get the child. Student must let their teacher know when they are being picked up. If the weather is bad, we will meet up at the doors where we get our temperatures checked.
Late start. So on these late start dates, the September 16th, October 7th, November 11th, February 3rd, and May 12th, school will start at 9:30 a.m.
Shoes. This is important. Please, please, please practice tying shoes at home. If your child is unable to tie their shoes, it would be helpful if you go and buy Velcro shoes. And if for some reason your child, especially girls, they like to wear sandals, just make sure they bring a change of shoes for PE.
We are asking that each student brings an extra change of clothes because in kindergarten we might spill something on us, we might have an accident, might get dirty. So if you have an extra set of clothes, put them in a Ziploc bag and put them in your child's backpack, shirt, pants, underwear, and socks. And if they happen to need to use those clothes, we will send the dirty ones home and you just replace them with new clean clothes.
Birthdays. Please let your teacher know ahead of time. Some things you can bring: healthy or individually wrapped treats. Other items you can bring are pencils, stickers, and bookmarks.
And at this time, we're asking that you send the treat or the items since we are not allowing visitors within the school.
Any questions or concerns, you can contact us by calling the school or email us. So on this slide, you will see that each one of us has our school email accounts on there.